Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost, and it is 2025. I cannot believe it. It has been way too long since I've posted a video, but there's been so many changes that have been happening in the background. Obviously the last time I recorded was for that Falcon right there. Water pump gave in, but 2025 is a completely different year, and you clicked on the video because you have seen that I've picked up a new pro car, and I'm going to take you through everything that I'm going to be doing and what the plan is for this year. So come along. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to do so. Leave a comment and I will see you real soon. Okay, so what exactly happened and why did I go quiet for 5 months without posting anything and giving any updates on the Falcon? Well, the long and the short of it is the Falcon needed a water pump. I didn't have enough money, didn't have enough time, and it just took longer than I expected. And then I sort of sat down and I was rethinking what my plan was with this car. I wanted to drift it because the Polo, which I'll show you guys if you haven't seen the videos, I'll put some pictures of it above. Yeah, thank you guys. And yeah, I couldn't drive the Polo because it doesn't meet regulation for the drift events, and the Falcon was pretty difficult to get parts for in terms of the actual usability of it and parts availability. You know, things like angle kits being readily available, coilovers accessible here in South Africa, things like that was making the build a very difficult build to think about doing long term. So I sat down and rethought what I was going to do, because I want to pursue doing drifting at a pro level. So that's obviously why you're here today, but I want to just take you through what is in the Falcon and what we're going to be doing with it going forward. So let's take a walk over. So taking a walk over, this is my 1995 Ford Falcon EF XR6. As you can see peeking from the bonnet, it's obviously been engine swapped. If you've seen the videos, you know that this car has a Lexus 3Z, and it was automatic when I got it, and on the channel I will link the videos down in the description. I love these Harley doors, they're so loud. Yeah, we did a manual swap on this so that we could obviously drift it. It's got a hydro, got the seat. Basically I was going to go all in and turn this into my drift car, but that obviously didn't work out in the end, just because of a couple of things that were becoming difficult and expensive, like getting coilovers for the car and just general things that are needed for this car to drive well. So basically what the plan is to strip out the engine, the gearbox, prop shaft, and basically any running gear that I can strip out of it to go into the pro car, which I will show you very, very soon. Yeah, so I've got all of this stuff. It is usable, the car's driving, and I think it's a great idea to still make use of everything that is good with this car and put it into something that will give me a better chance of actually driving better and building on my skill instead of fighting a car that isn't really well developed for this. So yeah, long and the short, this is no longer going to be a drift car on True Boost. Maybe we're going to build this into a rally for fun Falcon, but that will come at a much later stage. So yeah, say goodbye to the thoughts of this thing being a drift car, and well, say hello to the new pro car for the channel. So there you have it. We have picked up a pro drift car, and it is an S13 full Wisefab, coilovers, cage, the whole shebang. And I think this was definitely a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I had to take it for the benefit of my drifting and for the benefit of the channel. So Thank you for everyone for supporting the channel up until this point. This is year 3 of True Boost, and this year is going to be totally different, and it's going to be full of action, and I'm so excited to share everything with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment as well, and I will be announcing what this is real soon. Load Fashion is going to be the merch brand that's going to feed the channel and feed all the builds, and yeah, I think it looks pretty cool and will add some value to you guys as well in terms of quality and styling, but I'll explain more in the next video. I just really wanted to announce this and make the first video of 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, keep on boosting.